Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the FENNIO Vanity Mirror with lights. A must-have addition to your beauty routine that combines style and functionality in one sleek package. This large 32 by 22 inch mirror offers an expansive view, perfect for your upper body, and includes a 10x magnification mirror for precise grooming and makeup application. With its smart touch sensor, you can easily power the mirror on or off, switch between cool, warm, or natural lighting modes, and adjust brightness from 10% to 100% with just a simple touch. The mirror's sturdy aluminum frame and high-quality glass ensure durability and a lifespan of over 50,000 hours, making it a reliable companion for years to come. Whether you're getting ready for a night out or just starting your day, this mirror's adjustable lighting creates the perfect atmosphere for any occasion. Plus, its minimalistic rounded design adds a touch of elegance to any vanity desk or tabletop. Consider gifting this versatile mirror for special occasions like anniversaries or Mother's Day, and give your loved ones the gift of an upgraded personal care routine. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.